Hey guys, what's up? V here. Today, it's a quick video. I recently got the Sony ZV-1 camera, and I only had one. It comes with one battery, so I looked around a little bit online, and I was able to find this company, PowerExtra, extra power for you, the logo or slogan. So let's check it out. I will have this in a link in the description below if you guys want to pick these up. So let's just open this up. Real simple, again, simple video. It won't take long here at all. Comes with that box. So it comes with a charger for all three batteries. Comes with 3 indicators for each battery here. And you can see that. USB cables. It's actually, let's see here, micro USB. So it's a little old tech, so I'm not sure how long it'll charge or take to charge. But anyway, we have that. And of course we have the batteries. One, thought it was a really good deal. The batteries are each individually wrapped. So, and then they'll just, here, let me pop these. I mean, I know you don't need me to do this, but they're gonna go in like this. Let's see. So they'll just pop in there just like that, and all 3 will charge all at once. And this little thing here will tell you how much each battery is charged. It's a little self-explanatory. Again, this is a really, got a really good price on this. Let me see, there's another, oh, see, there's also a space here for a USB Type-C. Also, so it charges a little faster. So you got the micro USB, USB-C. Only came with the micro USB cord, but that's okay. I have plenty of the USB Type-C cords. So I wanted to give you a kind of a closer look at this here. So on one side you got the left, and the right you have the positive. The arrow is going to point to the left. Now what I did is I intentionally put the arrow to the right here on the battery, and you're going to see on the charger here. Just turn it on. And there's the indicator, so it's pretty cool. Has a little digital readout. Sorry, it's a little blurry. There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn this battery back around the right way, and you can see that it also charges. I just don't have the third one in because it's already charged. So there we go. And you can see, there it is. And here is a video of my little ZV-1. This is an amazing camera, by the way. And here's how you install the batteries in case you needed to know that. It's pretty simple. Pull that little purple, bluish purple tab on the side right there and pop it out. Click it back in, it automatically snaps closed. And there you have it. Sony ZV-1. So there you have it. Again, I'll have this in link in the description below. Let's see, PowerExtra dual USB charger. This is V. I'm out.